Alright guys, so I was wondering, what would a Honda 50 sound like with no muffler? I mean, it's just 3 bolts, so let's find out. But first, let's see what it sounds like before you take it off. Alright, now let's go ahead and unscrew these bolts. Alright guys, here's the last bolt. Now let's take it off. So there's the muffler. Alright, now it's time to see what it sounds like. Alright guys, so in the next video, I think I'm going to put the muffler back on, then put a balloon on the back to see what it sounds like then. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like content like this, please subscribe.